Welcome to Skinny Revolution. You may have heard of the Wonder Drug, Skinny Pen, Skinny Jab, Slimming Pens, weight loss injection. You may have seen throughout the media celebrities like Gemma Collins,
I did lose 2 stone.
and Kerry Katona all advertising this wonderful miracle weight loss drug.
I think I've never felt more confident and more sexy than what I do at 37 than what I actually did when I was 17.
This product's medical name is Saxenda. This slimming injection is a prescribed appetite suppressant and is made by a company called Novo Nordisk.
When patients with obesity lose weight, one response of their bodies involves an increase in the hunger hormone and a decrease in satiety hormones, including GLP-1, undermining their ability to lose weight and keep it off. Adding Saxenda, which is 97% similar to the native gut hormone GLP-1, activates the receptors in the brain to increase satiety and thereby reduce food intake.
Saxenda has been around in America a lot longer than it has within the UK. We are now going to show you a couple of success stories where Saxenda has transformed people's lives.
The biggest thing is getting on an airplane and sitting in a seat and having room on either side of me and not having to ask for a belt extender.
This is the new normal for Marissa Levy, but it wasn't always this way.
I've had issues with my weight all my life.
This time, she says, it's different.
130 pounds.
That's how much she's lost in the last year and a half using Saxenda. It's the first FDA-approved injectable treatment for weight loss.
I felt like my entire life was driven by constant hunger, and now I've never hit that point where you're like, oh my God, I will eat anything.
The medication Saxenda comes in a multi-use pre-filled pen.
Patients give themselves a shot once a day from a device similar to an insulin pen.
There were no major side effects for me.
Michelle Gennari lost about 100 pounds after bariatric surgery 17 years ago, but she recently used Saxenda to lose weight that had crept back on.
Menopause reared its ugly head, and I started gaining weight.
She said it helped her self-control, and she saw results right away. She's lost about 20 pounds.
I originally started to gain weight when I was pregnant at the age of 25. When I was pregnant, I went up to 15 stone. From the age of 25 up to last year, I've never loved myself. I was on the floor, no confidence, this, that and the other. I came onto this pen, and within 14 days, I started to see the weight just drop off me. I couldn't believe how much. Confidence started to go up even then. Just amazing. I've lost in total 5.5, 6 stone, size 12s, and I was buying 2022. Compared to back then to how I feel now, I'm a new woman. I actually feel like a woman. I actually feel sexy. I walk down the street now smiling with my head up. I often used to look to the floor because I thought people would be looking at me. I wouldn't have been able to do this weight loss journey if it weren't for Skinny Revolution. I go out socialising, I go out and talk to people, I smile. I smile.
You've got a life now.
I've got a life. Yeah.
Being overweight can lead to the following health implications.
Like heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, gallstones, and some cancers.
The potential side effects of using Saxenda. The most common side effects experienced are nausea, headaches, abdominal bloating, struggling to pass stools, and the odd occasion diarrhea. Evidence-based information shows 1 in 10 people may experience any of those side effects. For more information on the side effects, links to usage of Saxenda, please click on the link here. To join Skinny Revolution, the price is £250. This will include 2 Saxenda pens, a weekly weigh-in each week for the first month of being on the programme, the exclusive use of our food and exercise app. Diane Swain is our counsellor and psychotherapist. Each week, Diane Swain uploads a video onto our members area, helping you with emotional eating, overeating, getting you to start to journal and understand the trigger points in what make you overeat. Here at Skinny Revolution, we offer payment plans with a company called Pay Later. They will carry out a credit search. Within the next 24 hours, you'll be given a yes or a no whether they will deem you suitable to take credit. You will have to place 25% down and pay the rest over 3, 6, 9 or 12 months, and the interest is 4%. The price to get started on Skinny Revolution starts at £250 for 2 Saxenda pens. This can last you anywhere from 1 month up to 2 months depending on your dosage. We do 5 pens for £450, 10 pens for £900 or 13 pens for £1,000. Here at Skinny Revolution, we supply people throughout the whole of the UK, Northern, Southern Ireland and some parts of Europe. The consultation is done over the phone. If you are deemed suitable by our medical team, the drugs will be posted out to you discreetly. If you think that Skinny Revolution is a weight loss program for you, please make sure you have a BMI of 27 and above. Click on the link below, fill out your medical assessment, and once you've completed your medical assessment, you can then request a callback. Saxenda is a daily drug that you will inject once a day. Saxenda will stay within the bloodstream for a maximum of 13 hours before it starts to break down. Saxenda is most effective 11 hours after administering the drug into your bloodstream. Saxenda is most effective as a weight loss drug in combination with a calorie-controlled diet. Here at Skinny Revolution, we can combine by sending you meal plans and also exercise routines to carry out at home or at the gym. Saxenda is not a miracle drug, and you have to work hard to make changes in your personal lifestyle to maintain your weight loss. Here at Skinny Revolution, we provide you with videos step by step of where to inject, how to inject and how to turn the dosing dial on your Saxenda pen. Skinny Revolution is combined with medical science using a prescribed appetite suppressant, which is injected daily. We also have the usage of an app where you can track your own personal calorie intake and exercise. We also provide you with a dedicated team member for you to do a weekly weigh-in and have a consultation each week to make sure that you are in the right mindset to continue your weight loss journey. If you stop taking your Saxenda injection for more than 3 days, you are required to return back onto the program starting at the lowest dose, which is 0.6 for the first week. We recommend that you don't drink alcohol with Saxenda. If you are planning on drinking more than 2 glasses of any spirit or alcohol beverage, please do not take your Saxenda injection that day and continue again on your next alcohol-free day. If your medical situation changes or you are prescribed medication by your doctor whilst you're taking Saxenda, you must please ring up Skinny Revolution and inform us of the medical changes. Your first Saxenda pen can last you for up to 30 days if you remain on the lowest dose. You are not required to increase your dose each week if the current dosage is working and suppressing your appetite. Please only apply for Skinny Revolution if you have a BMI of 27 or greater. Inside your Skinny Revolution package, you will receive a foiled liner with an ice pack. Your Saxenda pens will be inside the foiled liner. You will have the certain amount of disposable needles to hand and also a sharp spin. You will also be provided with a booklet on a step-by-step of usage, how to use the product.